Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can add different shipping address on Amazon. It's pretty simple. You want to click on the person looking icon at the bottom of your screen and then click on where it says your account at the top. From over here you want to scroll all the way down and click on where it says your address. Once you see your address, click on it and it'll take you to this page. Now to add a different shipping address on Amazon, what you need to do is first add the new address. To add a new address, click on add a new address at the top of your screen. Now from over here, enter the detail like the country, your full name, your phone number, your street address, the city, its zip code. After filling this entire form up, click on add address. Now once you add address, it's going to show you two addresses, your old one and your new one. Now to change the shipping address, right beside the new address, you will see the option called set as default. Click on set as default and the new address will be set as default. So that is basically how we guys can add different shipping address on Amazon and have your product be shipped to that address. I hope you understand how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.